famous. Cousin Ryan.
Hey, what's up, YouTube friends and family? It's Cousin Ryan, and we are gonna put a Christmas tree on the roof of the Ectomobile. We're gonna light it up. I bought this little inverter here to plug into the 12-volt cigarette lighter, and it should be enough to power the lights. Now, my dad's got a huge shed with a whole bunch of Christmas decorations in it, and there were some artificial trees in there, and I thought, well, we'll use one of those. But they're the old school ones that have the hooks that hook into the center, and that's just not going to work. It'll come apart. So I made a trip to Home Depot and found this bad boy on clearance. It's got 650 mini lights that I think this will be enough. It's good for 150 watts. And that's, I don't know, every 100 LED lights is like 4.5, 5 watts, I think. So we should have more than enough power for this bad boy. So I think what we're gonna do is set up this tree first, see what it looks like, and then we'll work on attaching it to the roof. This tree, there's no plugs in it. When you put the sections together, the electrical connection is inside here. That's good, I think that's good. We're only going to use the stand for setting this guy up. I think. All right, you can see here where I ran the zip ties around the branches. Originally, I thought I'd drive a screw into here to hold the two pieces together. However, there's electricity going through the middle, the trunk of the tree, so I thought it'd be better to go with the zip ties just to not risk running a screw into the electrical. Did the same thing down here. You can see there's a whole series of zip ties here that hopefully will hold this thing together. Now that we got it up there, we want to plug it in and make sure all the lights still work. Got the inverter here and the cigarette lighter. Plug it in. Hey, look at that. It all still works. However, yeah, I don't like it automatically. It's going through there. I have to keep pushing it to get it to stay on full color mode. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go dig in the shed and see if I can find a star for the top here and maybe some ornaments. I don't know how well the ornaments will stay up there. We'll see. Real quick before we get to the star, I ran these bungee cords in here and just hooked them. We don't have a headliner in here, but I just hooked them around there. These probably aren't the most durable, long lasting, but they will last through tonight and tomorrow, maybe through the week. So. And plus these doors aren't super tight fitting, so I'm not real worried about them severing that bungee cord at this point. I found these ornaments in the shed, except that's sort of useless, so I thought we would try. I'm going to try to put a hole in these and run a zip tie through them. I don't know if this is going to work, but we'll try it. Well, that might not be the worst idea. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep doing this. Yeah, they break pretty easy, but you know what? You won't be able to see it once they're on the car. So we're gonna do it. Okay, I got a little better It's a little more gentle with the drill. These aren't like super delicate, but they don't like to be drilled in. You can see I busted that one up, and then the first one there. But we can still get a zip tie through and get those up. Also found this star out in the shed, so we'll get that hooked up and just keep going. I'm pretty sure we're just going to attach it with zip ties. I'm not even going to use that. Where are these warning stickers? To bend these up first, maybe a little closer to the end. That way when we hook it through, it'll naturally want to come up. There we go. All right. So here's the caveat here. I probably should have plugged that star in first to make sure it worked. Here's the little splitter I'm going to use. Put it in there. Got that. I can plug our star in. Plug the tree in. Oh, the star works. The tree is changing colors again, which I'm not, again, a huge fan of. I'm going to keep toggling through. Alright, just out of curiosity, let's see on the old voltmeter here what kind of power that's taking. I'm going to unplug that, turn the ignition on. See what it's getting weak. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's at 11.7. We're gonna plug this in. Oh, look at it. It just went down to 11.6. So that's hardly using any electricity at all. All right, there is our stolen Christmas tree on the roof of the Ecto, and we'll wait until tonight and get a better shot of it. Here it is in the dark. Our stolen Christmas tree on our Ectomobile. Turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. I don't like that I can't get the lights to stay multicolored. I've toggled through with that little button several times and it tricks me into thinking they're gonna stay colored and then it changes again later. But I'm still super happy with it. And like I said, I don't know if it showed up on the camera or not, but it only takes 1/10 of a volt to operate this, which is awesome. And that's it. Hope everyone's having a Merry Christmas, and we will talk to you guys soon.
You know, say it's Cousin Ryan on the Hollywood Boulevard. You know, say he bigger than any superstar. All of us spit you some real dope bar. Some of them sweeter than any chocolate bar. Boom! Hey.